Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a global money transfer with BMO. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website. Then sign in with your card number or username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for quick links at the right side of this page. Under quick links, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Global Money Transfer. On this page, you will see a button for Send Money. Click on the Send Money button. Here, review your information. If you wish to make some changes, click on the Manage button. But if everything looks good, click on Continue. Now, read the BMO Global Money Transfer Agreement. So after reading and if everything looks good, click on I agree. Here, select a contact, but if you haven't added a contact yet, click on the blue text that says Add Contact. First, select the country from which the recipient is living in. Listed below is the required information that you'll need from your contact. Then click on Enter Info. Now, enter the recipient's first name, middle name, and last name. Next, enter the contact's address. After that, enter the banking information of the recipient such as the ABA routing number, and account type. Then click on Continue. On this page, review the added contact information. After reviewing, click on Add Contact. Once the contact has been added, click on Send Money. To help protect yourself, be sure to question if asking you for money for any of the following reasons below. Once read, click on Got It. To transfer money, first, you need to select the From account. Next, choose how you want to calculate your transfer amount, either CAD or USD. Then enter the amount you wish to send. Once done, click on Exchange to finalize the transfer amount. You could also select below how you want to be alerted once your global transfer is successful. Lastly, click on Continue. That's how you make a global money transfer with BMO. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.